Hey there, Blello, this is PK here. Welcome to another Blepisode. Hey guys, I'm here for the part.
Cool cherry costume.
I'm a jelly bean.
Hashtag awkward.
Have you ever felt like you don't belong? It's not a nice feeling. I can't quite put my finger on it, but sometimes I feel like I just don't quite fit.
Dude, it's your costume.
But guess what? There are times when everyone feels like that.
I'm the only girl here.
I'm the only one with a beard.
I can hear people's thoughts.
Those feelings of not belonging can affect the way you act in different situations. The annoying thing is that you don't know when it's going to hit. One day you can be walking along and boom! You've got a case of the I don't belongs!
This is Jan. Say hi, Jan. There's more than meets the eye in Jan's current situation. Oh no, there it is. Jan has a case of the I don't belongs. How can we tell, you ask? Well, 5 signs you have the I don't belongs. Sign number 1, sweating and difficulty breathing. Sign 2, panicked look on face. Sign 3, heart beating fast. Sign 4, feeling small. Sign 5, feeling awkward. So awkward. Lots and lots of awkwardness. Sign 6, vomiting butterflies. Sign 7.
Wait. That's 7.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Brainy Pants. We can't all be perfect like you, Presenter Carl. Oh, look, it's a tomato.
I'm a jelly bean. Anyway, having the I don't belongs can feel so yuck, like a big ball of crazy emotions twisting and turning on the inside. You think things like, I shouldn't be here. I don't fit in. No one wants me around. I need to go to the toilet.
Everyone belongs, no matter what.
You may be thinking, but PK, does everyone really belong? No matter what, even me. We all have times where we feel like we don't quite fit. Some of us act, talk, think, or feel different to those around us, which can make us feel out of place. But even though we can feel that way, not a single one of these things means that we don't belong.
Hi kids, welcome back to the Happy Fun Playtime Show. I'm Mr. Happy Mr. Harry, and do you know what time it is? It's time to play the Where Do These Things Belong game. Are you ready, Susie Spatula? Okay. These pieces of fruit are all different. Where do they belong?
They belong here.
That's right. They belong together in a fruit salad. Chop, chop, chop! Yummy! These animals are all different. Where do they belong?
They belong here.
That's right! They belong in the jam because, they need to lose some weight! Look at that fat little elephant! Hold on! Little belly button Linty has something to say. Oh, you're so funny, Linty. See you later. Look at all these pies. They're all different flavors. But where do they belong?
In my tummy.
No, that's not right. Vortex to another dimension. Where do you think they belong? That's right, they belong in somebody's face. Ooh, this is a tricky one. These people are all different. Where do they belong? Are they right half-eaten Marmite sandwich that fell behind the couch and was forgotten about? Of course they do! They belong together on Earth, and so do you. Thanks for your help, kids. You did a great job. Now let's finish with our I Belong Here song. Take us away, Vortex, to another dimension.
If I don't fit in, I don't need to fit. Just need to say, I belong
Here. See you next time, kids.
happy inside.
So where is here? Here is wherever you are. The truth is there will be times when you feel like you don't fit. But the next time you feel like this or this, stop, take a deep breath and say,
I belong here.